The Cummins simulation story is actually quite interesting. In the past, we've been very component-centric, and now we're asking the question, what would it take to model everything? We could not continue to develop engines at the cost that we were incurring the way we were doing things via test. Think about building a prototype engine. Analysis is a much cheaper way. You can do things in days and hours for thousands of dollars rather than months and years and hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars. Simulation has always been utilized and valued at the company, but in the early 2000s there was really a push, an initiative called analysis-led design that was driven from the top down from our chief technical officer. It was all about moving us from a test-centric culture to an analysis-centric culture to open the design exploration space so we could look at things more broadly. The thing that Ansys has really brought to the table is a partnership. That partnership's been, for me, almost 30 years. Communication's been very open. We talk about what's going well, what's not going well, both directions, and we work together to make things better. Really, at the end of the day, the Ansys portfolio of tools is really enabling us to understand our products better, but also to get our designs right the first time. So the idea of virtual prototyping, that's really, again, about understanding all the trade-offs. When I make an improvement in one area, what am I sacrificing? With regard to multidisciplinary engineering, that's an area we're really wanting to grow into. Looking at those holistically, we want to grow, and we've been very active in partnering with Ansys, so our customer gets the best product at the end of the day. We actually sometimes even meet with their development people. We talk about those items, we talk about what our struggles are and where we think Ansys can help. But on the flip side, Ansys also often comes to us and says, we don't think you're utilizing our tools as well as you could. Let us help you, let us show you, and let's investigate some ways to make improvements. The benefits of simulation are ultimately saving money. We can do so much more inside the computer than we ever could inside a test cell. I think the key for Ansys in the future of modeling and simulation is they have a very deep portfolio of tools. They're ever growing, whether it's the salespeople, the technical support people, or the developers back at Ansys are always open and they want to learn more about what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. And that's why the partnership is so strong. For the future, there will clearly be more and more modeling and simulation. We're already looking at how do we go to universities and hire graduates in the area of modeling and simulation rather than classical subjects. We're going to see more and more designers doing analyses. We already offer training within Cummins to do that. So really, I think simulation throughout the organization, we're going to see more people either building the models or running the models, or at a minimum, using tools that allow them to look at the results and make very important decisions. I feel like we've just cracked the door open. And I look forward to what's going to happen and how we're going to work with Ansys.